Viral clips of vibe coding usually focus on speed, showing a basic web app or a playable arcade game appearing in seconds. For a B2B operator, these demos are toys. Real-world workflows demand a level of reliability and scale that a single prompt cannot provide. But then there is the outlier. This is the story of a 65-year-old business operator. He has no background in computer science, and he does not employ a development team. Over a period of 101 days, he spent exactly $160 to build Paxello, a content intelligence platform designed for live production. Paxello operates with a custom WordPress plugin and relies on a specialized cluster sequencing engine to automatically group and order data for its clients. The platform generates real traffic and citations for active clients. It proves that when you treat vibe coding as a rigorous discipline, it can handle real operational stakes. On day one of the build, the limits were clear. You cannot build something this complex by dropping a single basic prompt into an AI chat window. A feature like a cluster sequencing engine requires explicit structure. It is a logic problem that must be solved step by step. This flowchart shows the necessary conceptual leap: architecture discipline. To build serious software, you have to move past simple chat prompts and start designing systems, breaking a single goal down into a cascading hierarchy of logic gates and modular blocks. This structural discipline prevents the code from collapsing under its own weight during daily operations. By planning the architecture first, the resulting network holds firm under the pressure of continuous use. For a non-developer, this requires a shift in mindset. You stop acting like an end user hoping for a quick result and start thinking like a systems architect, outlining a master plan. Mastering that architectural discipline is the filter. It's the difference between a fragile prototype and a reliable tool your team trusts every day. Moving past the prototype stage also requires moving out of standard consumer chat windows. For this build, the entire operation was housed in a platform called Abacus. Standard AI interfaces are built for isolated conversations. They often struggle with the multi-step, continuous execution required for B2B software. This diagram represents how the Abacus platform manages data flow. It handles the stringing together of external features, like linking Paxello's internal engine to a LinkedIn publishing service in a steady, unbroken loop. This platform choice provides the infrastructure stability needed to run daily automated tasks without requiring a human to intervene and fix bugs. In this case study, combining architectural discipline with a robust engine room like Abacus allowed an individual operator to reach production without the need for a traditional software development team. By day 101, Paxello was a functional platform, actively generating web traffic and client citations on autopilot. This chart illustrates a drastic change in resource requirements. On the left, the estimated tens of thousands of dollars this build required 18 months ago. On the right, the actual cost of the Paxello build, $160. This successful proof of concept enabled the launch of Brandyard's commercial vibe-coded software service, using the same methodology for other B2B operators. For a founder, the barrier to entry has shifted. A lack of technical background no longer prevents you from building serious, bespoke operational tools. The ability to build software is now tied to your operational knowledge and your willingness to apply architectural discipline.
$750 articles published and almost no traffic, and 0 AI citations once AI search arrived. Here's what nobody told me. Google and AI cite the same thing. Topical authority. Isolated articles don't qualify. Clusters do. So I built a system that publishes in clusters. Hub first, spoke second, sequenced by real Google data. The first article I tested it on ranked position 1 in 48 hours. The cluster around it began to be cited by AI. One system, 2 channels. Paxello.ai. Learn how in the book link below.